So let's get started with the questions in this case. So the first question that we have is from Sandeepa. So the person has a question that says the person has an Excel which has more than 2000 plus line items and which has some contact numbers which is not being formatted properly, and would like to extract the mobile number from this existing details. Let's see the file. So due to some security reasons, I have actually tweaked the numbers a little bit, so it is not the exact number, but the format still remains the same. So if you see here, there is a bracket open with a R character into it, and further down there is fax written, and at places an entire text is also written, if you may notice over here, that is RESI. So we would like to format all of these. Now in this case, using this as a text base, we cannot use the concept or the function that is text to column. Now text to column requires a clean data. As of now, this is not fully clean. So let's clean this data in MS Word. So let's try it out. First thing, I'll select all this particular field. I'll copy it using Ctrl C, the shortcut, or simply go to home and copy, whichever is comfortable. I'll use Window R, and from the run dialog box, I will write WinWord, which will bring up MS Word for me. Once done, press OK. So the Word application opens in front of me. I'll use a blank one. Now this does not have to be stored or saved. I will just paste the data over here. Now why MS Word? Because Word is quite a very effective software to search, find and replace. Yes, you heard it right. So let's try it out. So I'll use the shortcut Control H, that is the replace. In this case, I want to find all the text, that's characters. So I might be using the raised to and a dollar. Now how do I come to know this stands for character? I'll just show you that as well. Now, in case if we are not aware of the same, just go to the button More. From the More option at the bottom, there is something that says Special. Now the special character can be used to select anything which is specific or special enough. In this case, which is any letters. So once I click on letter, automatically the same icon appear, and that's how I understand that that's the key for letters. Once done, I'll use the simple button that is replace all. As soon as I do so, all the characters from this data is been removed. That is, to be precise, 86. Once done, I click on OK. Now I wish to remove all the bracket opens. I'll use the bracket open, replace all. We'll repeat the same with bracket close, replace all. That's also done. Last but not the least are the colons and semicolons. I'll do the same. First colon, and then in case if there is any semicolon, that as well. Okay, there is none. So once the data is clean, now I do require the comma and the slash, because that will be the divider for me. I'll select all the table, sorry, all the numbers in this case. I'll copy it. I'll take a new sheet so that my existing data remains as it is, and I will paste it over here. Now, if you see the data is being pasted, I'll just adjust the height. Oh, that's done. So what I did is I just used a format. I just moved my cursor over one of the styles, so which automatically adjusts it for me. Now I will select the data. Now this time I will be using text to column, because now I have a clean data. I'll go to data tab, text to column. In this case, I'm not gonna fix my width. I'll rather use a delimiter, and in our case the delimiter is a comma. So I'll use the delimiter option. Next, here from the parameters or the options that it's given to us, I'll turn off tab, which is not needed in this case, and I'll be turning on comma. Automatically you see the divider is being created for me. The only thing is, now when I go for next, normally the answer is being pasted here itself and we lose the data. I don't want that, so I'll be using the box over here as destination. I'll remove the existing destination, and I'll be keeping my cursor on B1. Once done, I click on finish, and my data has been separated in a better way. There might be some fine tuning to be done. That is still okay. Comparatively to work out for the entire 2000 records, it's better to work out for just maybe 10 or 20. So I believe, sir, that your query is being solved in this case. If you have any additional query or if there is any problem in the existing query itself, please feel free to contact us via email or by tweeting us.